For my projects, I'm aiming for an environment with a semi-stylized look, a high level of details, but without relying on high-frequency noise. I really want to preserve clean, sharp edges. That's why I decided to create the damage and wear on my asset directly in 3D instead of using textures or masks. Houdini has been a very important tool for me in that regard because it allows me to do all of this procedurally and automatically. Houdini actually already comes with an edge damage tool as part of the Side Effects Lab suite. The tool uses a Boolean-based method that carves into the mesh, creating edge damage while preserving clean, sharp edges. Even though it's a great tool, I wanted to go further and adapt it to both the needs of my project and my artistic direction. So instead of using it as is, I decided to start from this tool and build my own custom version that gives me a result much closer to what I had in mind. The Side Effects Labs tools are extremely useful, not only for production, but also as a learning resource. Any labs node can be opened and studied simply by right-clicking and choosing Allow Editing of Contents. This lets you dive inside the tool, see how it's built, and understand the reasoning behind each step. That's exactly what I did for my custom edge damage tool. I started by studying this node, breaking it down, and then salvating the parts that were interesting or relevant to my needs. From there, I rebuilt my own tool using the concepts and techniques that were already present. If we take a closer look at the Boolean method used here, you can see that it's essentially a Boolean operation between the original input mesh and a wrapper mesh. This wrapper mesh is distorted using noise and then used as the second input in the Boolean. Wherever the two meshes intersect, that's where the chip damage appears. Using this ID as a foundation, I rebuilt my own tool starting from the same core concept, but adapting it to achieve a result that suits better my artistic need.